Good morning. It is Monday, February 16th, 2026 at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Tech news. India is rapidly positioning itself as a global leader in artificial intelligence, evidenced by its ongoing 4-day AI Impact Summit, which has drawn top executives from major AI labs and big tech, including OpenAI, Anthropic, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Google, and Cloudflare, alongside various heads of state. This strategic push is further underscored by significant investments aimed at bolstering the nation's domestic AI infrastructure. Blackstone is notably backing Neysa with up to $1.2 billion, a move designed to facilitate the deployment of over 20,000 GPUs, crucial for accelerating local AI compute capabilities. Concurrently, Peak XV has invested $15 million in the Indian startup C2I, which is developing a grid-to-GPU approach to mitigate power losses in AI data centers, addressing a critical bottleneck in the industry's expansion. Despite this robust activity and enthusiasm, India's first AI company to go public, Fractal Analytics, experienced a muted IPO debut, reflecting a broader investor caution and persistent AI fears in the wake of recent sell-offs in Indian software stocks. Beyond infrastructure and market performance, the ethical and intellectual property implications of AI continue to be a central theme, sparking significant debate and legal challenges. Anthropic is reportedly engaged in a contentious discussion with the Pentagon regarding the permissible uses of its Claude AI, specifically concerning its application in mass domestic surveillance and autonomous weapons systems. This debate highlights the growing tension between technological advancement and the imperative for societal safeguards and responsible AI deployment. In the entertainment sector, Hollywood organizations are vocally opposing the new Dance 2.0 video generator, alleging it has become a tool for blatant copyright infringement, a concern echoed by NPR host David Green, who is suing Google over the alleged unauthorized use of his voice in its Notebook LM tool. These legal challenges underscore the urgent need for clear guidelines and robust regulatory frameworks in the rapidly evolving AI landscape to protect creators and individuals. Amidst these developments, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman revealed that India now boasts 100 million weekly active ChatGPT users, marking it as the largest student user base globally and demonstrating the widespread adoption and transformative impact of generative AI tools across educational and professional spheres. Furthermore, the academic world is witnessing a notable shift, with students increasingly opting for AI-specific majors and courses over traditional computer science programs, signaling a significant reorientation of talent towards specialized AI fields and a recognition of its growing importance in the future workforce. Business news. The broader market is reflecting a cautious sentiment, with AI fears reportedly wiping billions off big tech valuations. This coincides with a month of outflows from crypto investment funds, raising questions about institutional pullback from the digital asset space. On the global economic front, Japan is navigating a fragile fourth-quarter recovery, posing an early test for its economic leadership. Geopolitical factors continue to influence markets, as the U.S. has granted 2 licenses to global companies in Venezuela's oil sector, and the impact of potential Trump tariffs is becoming noticeable on the stock market. World news. Geopolitical shifts are a primary focus as Europe grapples with the implications of a potential Trump New World Order, prompting discussions about diversifying traditional alliances. U.S. Democrats are actively working to reassure European partners regarding future American foreign policy. Tensions in the Middle East remain high, with Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu demanding Iran abandon enriched uranium production ahead of upcoming U.S.-Iran nuclear talks. In Ukraine, the former energy minister has been detained while attempting to leave the country, facing legal proceedings related to a corruption scandal. Further, questions are being raised internationally regarding the alleged use of a dart frog toxin in the death of Alexei Navalny. That is your briefing for today. Stay focused.